Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of mathematical visualizations using MATLAB. We'll explore how to automatically generate high-quality plots perfectly tailored for integration with LaTeX documents. Our journey will unveil how these plots not only save time, but also enhance the clarity and visual appeal of mathematical data presentations. Let's start at the very beginning. Every effective MATLAB script begins with a clean slate. By using CLC, close all, clear all, we ensure our workspace is clear of any previous data or figures. This step is crucial for avoiding any unexpected results and guarantees a fresh start for our plotting adventure. Our plot's foundation lies in its variables. Here, we use linspace to create a time variable, t, and define 4 state variables, x1, x2, x3, and x4. These variables, generated through trigonometric functions, are the heartbeats of our plot, each representing a unique aspect of the data we're visualizing. A key to effective visualization is clarity. By maximizing the figure window, we ensure our plot utilizes the maximum screen real estate, leading to higher resolution and more detailed imagery. This step is vital for creating plots that are not only informative, but also visually striking. Using subplot, we create multiple plots within a single figure. This allows us to compare different datasets side by side in a coherent and connected manner. Each subplot, with its own style and thickness, tells a unique part of our story. A plot's beauty lies in its details. Legends with carefully adjusted fonts and locations provide clarity. Axis labels in specific fonts and sizes enhance readability. Setting X-lim and Y-lim offers control over our plot's viewing window, and enabling the grid aids in data interpretation. These elements transform our plot from a simple graph to a piece of art that speaks volumes. Finally, we encapsulate our work in a format that bridges MATLAB and LaTeX. By saving our plot in EPS format, we ensure the highest quality for printed and digital viewing. This step is like framing a masterpiece, preparing it to be showcased in the world of LaTeX documents. Today, we navigated through this process using MATLAB, transforming numerical data into visual narratives. These plots are more than just figures. They are tools that bring mathematical concepts to life, making them accessible, understandable, and memorable. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of automatic MATLAB plot generation. We greatly appreciate your time spent watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to be part of our channel's journey, consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. Keep an eye out for upcoming content on coding, mathematics, and research. We promise you won't want to miss it.